Alright, y'all. So, what we're going to do today is how to fix up. We all buy these Somnicons or whatever, the cheap banana leads. But after a little while, and it don't take too long. Look at that. They get to where they don't grab at all. This kind, it twists. Now, see where the metals bows out? You need this. Some kind of tiny screwdriver. Don't go too far with this. Bend them out. You gotta bend them all out. Bend them back out. Problem with these is they're made of cheap crap metal that ain't springy at all. So the more you use them, the more they go to crap. Now I've bent these out a lot. You just hook under the little fins, give it a little bend. Don't bend them too much or you'll snap it. You know, see it? Get underneath and give it a little tweak. Give it a little tweak. You gotta hit every single one and give them a little tweak. Now, you saw this one before. Let's see. Alright, well, that means bend them a little bit more than I did. Hey, bend them the least amount you have to. And try them. And if they're not to your satisfaction, try again. That's a lot better than it was. That's kind of like when they were new. They're not the best to begin with, but you saw at the beginning it would not do that. Alright. Well, hell. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. We'll go for it some more. Alright. So we've bent them out quite a lot. That's about the best you're going to expect out of these. Hang on, let's try the other end. Oh, wow. In the end, we rebent. Well, hell. Alright, y'all. Let's see if we bend the crap out of them what they do. Maybe these things aren't salvageable. Alright, now I'm going in there and turning the screwdriver. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, there you go. Alright, so go in there and twist the screwdriver. They are salvageable. Alright, y'all. That's how to repair your cheap banana plugs on the cheap, which is free. Get you a tiny little screwdriver, a little flathead blade. Put it in, twist it. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.